Hey guys, Technomentary here with a video for you guys to show you guys how to record 4K video on your iPhone 11 or any iPhone that has 4K capacity. So by default, the camera, if you open it up and click on video, it's defaulted to record at 1080p, which is HD at 60 frames per second, as you can see up top. But we do have to tweak the settings so that we can record at 4K. To do that, go into settings, and once you're in the settings, you want to go find the camera. So we're gonna look for camera here. So we found camera. As you can see in the camera setting, in record video, if you select that, there's a bunch of options, and you'll see by default it's selected to be 1080p HD at 60 frames per second. So you want to toggle on to a 4K setting. So there's three different options for 4K. There's 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, and 60 frames per second. So the more the frames per second, you're gonna have a lot more memory consumption. So at 60 frames per second, you're consuming about 400 meg per minute worth of video. So but you'll get higher resolution and smoother quality. So we'll go ahead and select that, and then this time go back to the camera and then go back to the video setting. And this time, as you can see in the video setting right now, it's recording at 4K at 60 frames per second. Another way to kind of enable 4K is simply tapping on these numbers here to switch between the different frames per second, also between HD, which is the 1080p, and the 4K. So those are two different ways you can enable 4K recording for your iPhone 11. So hopefully this video helped. If you guys are looking to buy cheap iPhone 11 or the iPhone 11 Pro, any of the newer iPhones, check out the link down below in the description, where we link you guys to a discounted page on eBay where you can really get these phones for really cheap prices. So check that out, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.